Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Intercom Messenger UX patterns for customer onboarding. Detailed guide step by start by logging into your Intercom account. Navigate to the dashboard where you can manage your Messenger settings. Click on the product section in the left sidebar. Select Messenger to open the Messenger customization options. Here, look for the Onboarding tab. Choose the option to create a new series. Enter a clear and engaging title for your onboarding series. Set the trigger for when this series should start. Consider using time-based triggers or events that indicate a new user has signed up. Next, define your audience by filtering for new users. This ensures only those in the onboarding phase receive the messages. Now, begin crafting your first message in the series. Keep the message concise and welcoming. Use a friendly tone to make users feel comfortable. Incorporate a call to action that encourages users to engage further. This could be exploring product features or visiting the help center. After saving your first message, click on Add Message to continue. Create a sequence of messages that guide users through key features. Use visuals where appropriate to enhance understanding. Test each message by sending it to yourself to ensure clarity. Once satisfied, proceed to configure message timing. Set intervals that allow users to digest information without feeling overwhelmed. After finalizing the series, review everything for coherence and flow. Make adjustments based on user feedback or analytics if necessary. Once ready, activate your onboarding series. Monitor its performance through the Analytics dashboard. Analyze user engagement to identify areas for improvement. Continue iterating on your onboarding experience based on these insights. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.